Today we're fitting a KENWOOD DMX5023, this 2017 Nissan Qashqai. And just go through a few of the features on this one. So we've got DAB, got FM, Bluetooth, USB connectivity, and Apple and Android wired CarPlay. We've got all the steering wheel controls working with this one, so you can have hands-free control over the radio. We've got the factory reverse camera working with a 360-degree cameras with a button just here. When you press this button, it'll allow you to flick through the different cameras, retaining all the factory cameras. We've got a retention for the factory USB cable. This will allow us to plug into our phone, and then we can use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This allows you to use apps on your phone for your maps or songs, and then we've also got voice control as well.
Call home.